Hey, Explody FPS here. Today we are going to speed up your Epic Games downloads. If you have been experiencing slow download speed, we have got a few tips for you. Let's dive in. The first thing you want to check is the throttling option in Epic Games. By default, it might be turned off, which means Epic Games automatically adjusts the speed limit for better things. I mean, definitely you are playing games, or maybe you are downloading, or maybe the Windows update is going on. So all that things can adjusted by your Epic downloader. However, if you want to download faster, you can turn on throttling and set the maximum internet speed manually. This way, Epic Games will forcefully take all the bandwidth from your internet, ensuring a faster download. Just click on User Profile and then go into the settings. Then scroll down, you will see here the total downloads. Just click here. Now here, you need to put the maximum speed of your internet. In my case, it's I guess 2000, but I'm going here 2400 kbps. Now let's check out. Now you can see my downloading speed is stable on peak 1.4, 1.5, which is the peak performance. Now, let's move on the second tip. Sometimes if you are using a proxy or VPN and close it, your download speed may remain limited. To fix this, open command prompt and type the following commands that will solve your problem. CMD, then again, right-click on it and run as administrator. Okay, now this command will solve your issue. The first command that we are going to use here, the ipconfig/release, used for releasing the current IP address. Now we will use another command, which is ipconfig/renew, used for renewing the IP address. Your internet is again start working, and now the third command, ipconfig/flush, DNS used for flushing and resetting the DNS resolver kcheck, and the last ipconfig/register DNS use for refreshing all DHCP leases and re-registering DNS names. Running these commands should help reset your network settings and potentially improve your download speed. After that, just type exit. Moving on to step number 3. Sometimes your DNS might not be working well, affecting your browsing and game searching experience. In such cases, consider switching to the Google DNS, which is known for its speed. Google DNS has a lot of website routes reloaded, which can make your browsing and Epic Launcher experience way faster. Now, if you don't know the Google DNS, simply you can open any browser and then search here Google DNS and hit enter. Once you hit enter, you will see here the public DNS, which is over here. Now you need to use these DNS on your internet. Just right. Click on your internet icon, open Network and Internet Settings. Once you are here, go into the properties and then scroll down a bit. IP Settings. Click on Edit. Automatically change to the manual and then enable IPv4. Now scroll down a bit. You will see here the preferred DNS and alternative DNS. Just type here 8.8.8.8. And then in the alternative, a point 4.4 and click on Save. That's it now, you have Google DNS. And there you have it, guys. By following these 3 simple steps, you should see a significant improvement in your Epic Games download speed. Remember to like this video if it helped you and subscribe for more Windows fixes and optimization tips. If you have any question or other topics you would like me to cover, leave them in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.